Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money trading Binance Spot. Alright, so to make money on Binance Spot is very easy, guys. All you have to do, you go to trade and then you can buy coins. I would suggest you to pick Bitcoin, which is much safer. Now, here's I make $128 profit, guys. So what I did yesterday was that I put a net. Okay, so here's how I do it. I bought Bitcoin at low price and sell it at a high price. That's how trading works in a nutshell. You buy low, you sell high, and that's how you make profit. So yesterday Bitcoin was crashing a few days ago because of the FTT issue and FTX. You can see Bitcoin just went down like crazy from literally 21k to like 16k. You can see here it went down by 25% in 2 days, which is crazy, guys. So what I did is that I set buy order, okay, a limit buy order. I told Binance that I want to buy Bitcoin at maybe if it dropped to 19k, you can see here 19k, I will set a buy order. So let's say I have 5,000 cash, I will put 1,000 each per 1,000 drop. Okay, let's say I have $5,000 cash, I will set a limit buy order at 19k, 18k, 17k, 16k, and 15k in case it dropped to 15k. So if Bitcoin dropped to 15k, if it dropped right here, and I buy everything $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, if it goes up, let's say if it goes up to 16k, I will sell the $1,000 that I bought at 15k. Okay, if it goes out again to 70k, I will sell my 1k that I bought at 16k. I will sell it, okay, at 17k, and on and on and on. So this is how you can trade and make money quickly with trading Bitcoin, and that's what I did. So I will show you here. You can actually set limit. Here you can see limit. Okay, you can set limit. Market is the price right now, so you can execute the buy immediately. But if you set limit, you can set the price. Maybe I want to buy Bitcoin at 15k, let's say. I'll put 15,000. Then the amount, so the amount here is USDT. I'll put 1,000 and I will press on buy BTC. So you can see we have an open order. If we hit that $15,000, if let's say Bitcoin maybe someday drop to 15k, this limit order will be triggered, and then I will have $1,000 Bitcoin, okay, at 15k. So if it go up to 16k, I will sell it. All right. What if it go down? Well, you just have to wait for the next bull market. So that's the strategy, guys, and I will show you the proof. Here's the order history. You can see here in November 9th, I bought 0.064 of Bitcoin at 16,000. Okay, at Bitcoin price 16,000. You can see I bought $1,025. So write down somewhere. So 1025. Okay, so I bought Bitcoin with $1,025, and then when it goes up to 18,000, you can see right there at the top, I sell it. Okay, you can see this is limit sell. You can also limit sell it. You can see I sell it for 1153. So what's my profit? 1153. Okay, I sell it at 1153. Then minus 0.25. So I make a net profit of $128. All right. So that's how easy it is for you to make profit trading Bitcoin. Only trade coin that you personally believe in, guys, for the long term. If you, let's say, if you really believe in Bitcoin and you want to invest it long term, there is nothing to lose, right? If even let's say I even bought Bitcoin at 18k and 19k. So the price right now is at 17k. My 18k and 19k, I don't sell it. Okay, the investment that I put in this at the top, I don't sell it. I just wait when Bitcoin go up. Right? I only sell the one that I bought here. So the moral of the story here: don't waste your money at the top. Okay, don't just invest all in. Have some money to do dollar cost averaging. Okay, to buy at the bottom as well. Even right now, I still have cash to, let's say if Bitcoin drop to 10k, I can still have money to buy low, you know, then I can sell high. So if let's say you have only $1,000 to invest, you gotta divide it by 5. Maybe you put 200 here, $200 here, $200, $200, $200. So you don't lose your ammunition, guys. You know, it's like going to war. You don't waste your ammunition on one enemy, right? You gotta prepare some ammunition for other enemies. So that's my whole strategy to buy low and sell high, guys. Okay, again, if you can read the chart, is even better. You know, you can wait until the chart is like very oversold, and then you can buy at the bottom. That's even better if you can read the chart. But for most beginners, they don't even know how to read the chart. So I'm going to show you how to can limit sell. Here you can go to trade. Again, you can select the coin right there, the market. And then if you want to set a limit sell, you can click here, sell. And then you can set a limit sell, maybe, I'll show you an example. Maybe 23k, right? And then you can and then the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell. If you don't have Bitcoin yet, obviously you cannot sell. Make sure you have Bitcoin, and then you must write down, guys. Okay, here is a tips. You must write down when you buy your Bitcoin, and also what's your price when you buy it. Okay, when you bought it, what's the price? Okay, so that you know what price that you can make profit. Don't buy high and sell low, you will lose money. So make sure you write down the time you buy it and the price that you bought it. Okay, so I don't know, maybe I will sell like 0.1 for example. I'm going to show you an example here, and then press on sell BTC. So you will see they will have another open order, and this is called limit sell. So that's basically how it works. So easy, guys. If you want to cancel it, you can click on cancel here, and it will be canceled. And right now Binance have 0 trading fees on BTC pair, which is awesome. So there is no trading fees as of right now. And yeah, that's how I make $128 profit in just one day, guys. Okay, again, make sure the coin that you want to invest is the coin that you want to hold long term, and also don't go all in. Those are 2 pieces of advice that I can give. Although this is not financial advice, guys, I'm just sharing what I'm doing, and hopefully this can help you a little bit. If you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. If you are a little bit advanced, you can watch my other videos how to use bot to trade on Binance futures.